Hello, this is Sherwin from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Your MLM software have different ready-made reports that you could utilize to review and analyze your business. One of them is the Sales Tax Exempt Summary report that would allow you to see who among your distributors or customers are exempted from sales taxes. First, log into your website, hover your mouse cursor over to the admin menu, go to Reports, go to Types of Reports, and then click on Accounting. Okay. This would lead you to a list that shows different reports pertaining to the accounting side of your business. And one of them is the Sales Tax Exempt Summary. All right. Now click on the View link on the right-hand side. After that, the system will allow you to manage or set the date range the said report would actually run. In this case, it would actually run on, start date would be 2nd of October of 2018. Finish date would be November 2, 2018. All right. After setting the date range, click on the View Report button, and the system would actually run the report for you. The report will open on a new window, as you can see. And once open, you would be able to see those information: user ID, first name and last name of the distributor or customer, tax exempt status, ID number, phone, email, and then tax exception expiration. All right. Okay. So, and that's how you would be able to run the Sales Tax Exempt Summary report. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support teams in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one trainings with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.